Now, how do you record a voice on the Keynote using your iPad? Let's get started. And if you are new to this channel, most definitely ensure you are subscribed to the Foxtecc channel because you don't want to miss videos like this one. So of course, on your iPad, locate the Keynote app, which is of course the presentation maker from Apple, and you want to be inside any of your clips or like slides. And if you want to add the sound or like the record voice over it, you will need to tap on the media button, which is indicated by a picture icon, which might be confusing, right? We're not adding pictures, but we'll still need to tap on it. And this lets us tap on the record audio option. So right now, as you can see, I can start recording by tapping on the little record button, and at the bottom I can see my wavelengths as I'm speaking, right? I can of course switch it in between the slides or whatever, and then click on stop, perhaps edit or preview the thing, start over if I don't like it. But once I decided that I am happy with the result and I actually want to use the voice recording for my presentation, I can click on insert button in the top right corner and it will be saved like that. So that's how you can do this. Of course, there are different apps for presentations like the PowerPoint, but this is how you can do it for Keynote. So for more tutorials and videos like this one, stay tuned and I'll talk to you later in the future tutorials as well.